Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, let's look at how to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from a particular point onto a line. So, what is the approach to solve this problem? Let's first try to plot the straight line and the point, and then afterwards let us see what is the approach we have to follow. So, let's first plot this line 3x plus 4y equal to 24. I can plot it 3x plus 4y equal to 24. If I take x equal to 0, I will get y equal to 6. If I take y equal to 0, I will get x equal to 8. So two points are 8, 0 and another is 0, 6. You know that they are nothing but intercepts. So 8, 0 is somewhere here and 6, 0 is here. So if you join these two, you will get the equation straight line 3x plus 4y equal to 24. So that's the line we have 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Now find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. So let us see where is 1 comma minus 1. Somewhere here it will be. Okay, this is the point 1 comma minus 1. From there I have to draw a perpendicular. So let me just draw a perpendicular. Okay, now what they are asking me, they are asking me to find out the coordinates of this particular point, which is nothing but x1 comma y1. Now how to do? What are the steps we have to follow? First, find, let's give that point is capital X, and let us say this is P, and first what I have to do, find equation of Px. How to find out the equation of Px? We know the slope of the straight line given 3x plus 4y. This is nothing but the straight line 3x plus 4y equal to 24. So we know the straight line, slope we know. So can we find out the equation of Px? Because Px will be perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y equal to 24. We will do that. First find the equation of Px. Second, find point of intersection. That's nothing but equal to x. Find point of intersection x, its coordinate. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here you go. First we will look at the equation of Px. We know if 3x plus 4y equal to 24 is a line, then any line which is perpendicular to it will be of the form 4x minus 3y equal to k. I hope you are comfortable with that. Because the slope is 4y equal to minus 3x minus 3 by 4, I should have slope of 4 by 3. So the easiest way to remember is the coefficients will switch and the sign in between them will change. So 3 will become 4, 4 will become 3, and plus will become minus. Okay. Now we also know that x1 comma y px, this is the equation of px, but it should satisfy the point p. The point is nothing but 1 comma minus 1. It should be satisfied by the point 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 should pass through this particular equation. So if you substitute 4 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1 equal to k, or k equal to 7. So that gives me the equation of the line is Px is 4x minus 3y equal to 7. So now we have two equations, 3x plus 4y equal to 24 and 4x minus 3y equal to 7. We can solve it. 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Another line is 4x minus 3y equal to 7. You can use cross multiplication or you can use elimination as I am doing now. I want to cancel y, so I'll multiply first with 3 and second with 4, so that I will have 12y which will cancel. I will have, if I multiply by 3, 9x plus 12y equal to 72. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 24s are 72. Similarly, 4 into 4, 16x minus 12y equal to 28. If you add them, you will have 25x equal to 100. That will give you x equal to 4. If x equal to 4, then y is nothing but 4y equal to 24 minus 12. So 4y equal to 24 minus 12. So y equal to 3. So the point x1, x coordinates are 4, 3, or the foot of perpendicular is nothing but coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular are 4, 3. How we have solved this? We have been given a line and we have been told that from a particular point a perpendicular is drawn to it. We have been asked to find out the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. We know that the line and the perpendicular will be at 90 degrees. So we can find out the equation of the line which is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Not only that, it also has to pass through the point 1, minus 1, because you have drawn the perpendicular from point P. Now we know that any line perpendicular to 3x plus 4y equal to 24 will be of the form 4x minus 3y equal to k, because the slopes should be reciprocal negative. If this is minus 3 by 4, the perpendicular one should be 4 by 3. Now we substituted p in that and we found the equation of px. Once we got the equation of px, we found the point of intersection of two lines. We have taken two lines equations, 3x plus 4y equal to 24 and 4x minus 3y equal to 7. We did use the elimination method and found the point of intersection. That's nothing but 4, 3, which is the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 1, minus 1 onto the line 3x plus 4y equal to 24. To summarize, first find out the equation of the perpendicular. Second, find out the point of intersection by elimination method or cross multiplication. So see you again in the next session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.